Hey everyone, today I'm going to be talking to you about a Chrome extension that was inspired by this book here. Now, what does the YouTube formula by Derral Eves have anything to do with a Chrome extension? Well, as you can see, I'm starting a YouTube channel, and before I start anything, I like to research the most successful channels and see what's going on. So I looked up a couple books, I've been watching a few different channels, and Derral Eves was one name that just came and kept popping up. So I read the book and it was amazing actually. It really goes through the evolution of YouTube step by step. I mean, did you know YouTube started off as a dating site? I had no idea. One of the things that he talks about are thumbnail images and how crucial these thumbnails are to your YouTube channel and to your videos. Basically, the thumbnail image is what entices the viewer to click on the video. And inside of the book, not only does he talk about swapping out your thumbnails if they're not working, but he also talks about the YouTube search results and comparing your thumbnail inside of the search results to see if you just kind of drown out with the noise or if you stand out. And in my head, I was like, oh my gosh, that is the perfect use case for a Chrome extension. Simply just upload an image that's your YouTube thumbnail and your title and your description, and then swap it out with one of the results in the page. And so I'm going to walk you through how I did that. And if you want to dive deeper, there's a whole GitHub repo that's linked below that you can check out the source code, as it's all open source. I'm not collecting any sort of user information or anything like that. It's completely just a simple, very vanilla JavaScript Chrome application. So let's dive in. All right, so I'm going to walk us through the source code here. Here is the GitHub repo. And again, this is linked in the description. I just got a basic kind of what this repo is, what the Chrome extension is, the features, how to install it, how to use it, some commonly asked questions, and then where you can find me on social media. For a Chrome extension, you really only need a few things. You need a HTML file where the pop-up is going to be. That's when you click the little icon in the browser. What is that pop-up going to look like, that little drop-down sort of page? And that's basically just a form with Bootstrap. Very, very simple. The next thing you need is your JavaScript that you inject into that form, which is called popup.js. And this basically just kind of accesses the DOM elements. It has our submit function here that just basically takes the image, the title, and the description and just saves it into local storage. And then we have the content.js, which is just the functions that are not directly related to the pop-up. So it is getting the thumbnail from local storage, finding the third element in the list on the YouTube search result page, and then replacing that information with the ones that the user inputted. And then lastly, what I found super annoying was that Google Chrome caches and preloads a lot of pages. So someone can go to YouTube and then hit that search query result page, and the Chrome extension isn't going to work because your Chrome JavaScript is not going to be injected into the page because it was cached or it was preloaded. So in order to make your extension work all the time, you have to have this background script that listens to the tab and the URL that's being typed in, and then if it matches the URL that you want to inject your Chrome extension into, it will inject it. So now for the demo, I just have a simple Mr. Beast query here, and this is the search results page. So as you can see, you have a bunch of different videos, all with the keyword Mr. Beast. So in your browser, you're gonna go up and to the extensions, and I have it right here with this little red icon. And you can see it says thumbnail preview. And what you're gonna do is you're just going to upload your thumbnail. You're going to fill in your title. I'm just gonna put test title and your name. I'm going to put test name, and then your description. And I'm just going to put, this is my YouTube description. You'll click submit, and when you do, you can see that third thumbnail changed. So now you can see your title, your description, and your thumbnail all with these other results. So now does your thumbnail stand out, or does it kind of blend in with the crowd? Now you can see it right inside of your Chrome browser. You know, what I really found valuable in the book here were the case studies. And I mean, I couldn't believe the amount of niches and industries that YouTube was helping grow their business. I mean, there was someone who made YouTube videos about horse maintenance and how to best clean their hoofs and how to take care of the barns and things of that nature, came out with an ebook and is very successful in their business. There's also someone in the book that was exceptional at crocheting and made blankets. And now basically her entire town helps work on crocheting these blankets because it is such a thriving business. It's just amazing how many different industries can be helped by YouTube. And because of that, I kind of wanted to build a Chrome extension based on an idea I got out of this book. If you have any ideas of how this could be improved or any features that you want to see implemented, go ahead and comment on the video below, or you can also open a pull request in the GitHub repo and I will review it and approve it if it makes sense. You know, if you like this content, please go ahead and like and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And also, if you like the project, go ahead and download the app in the Chrome Web Store. It is available, and that's also linked in the description below. See you later.